Well, the question says that the ratio of the number of red marbles to green marbles in box A and box B were 2:1 and 2:7. Alright, so let's commence by drawing the model. We draw the model for box A. Ratio given us was 2:1 for red is to green, so we draw 2 units for red and 1 unit for green. Alright, and we are told that actually box A had 2/3 as many marbles as box B. Remember, this is talking about the total number of marbles, red and green. Alright, so we put 2 parts to represent the total marble in box A, and we know that box B would have 3 parts. From the model itself, straight away we know that 2 parts is equivalent to 3 units. Alright, the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Therefore, we can cut each part into 3 blocks, equal blocks, and each unit into 2 equal blocks. So as we divide the model, it looks like this. So instead of 2 units of red, now it becomes 4 blocks of reds. 1 unit of green becomes 2 blocks of greens. Okay, this is representing 2 parts of marbles in box A. Since we know that box B had 3 parts, as 2 parts is equal to 6 blocks, therefore 3 parts will be equal to 9 blocks. Alright, and the ratio in box B given us is 2:7. That means to say, out of this 9 blocks, 2 blocks belong to red and 7 blocks belong to green. Okay, now the question says that when 18 green marbles will move from B to A, the ratio of the number of red marbles to green marbles in box A became 8:7. Notice that only green marbles will move from B to A, so the number of red marbles in box A remain unchanged. Alright, at this moment, so we want to remove 18 marbles from B to A in this last model here, A. Okay, so now we know that in the end, the ratio for the model for box A for red is to green will be 8 pieces. Alright, I call it pieces now. 8 pieces to 7 pieces. Alright, so from here we know that 4 blocks is equal to 8 pieces, therefore 1 block is equal to 2 pieces. And we want to have 7 more pieces for the greens. This is how much we have in the end for box A. Alright, currently we have got 2 blocks here, which is 4 pieces, so we need another 3 pieces from box B. That means to say that 18 marbles for green marbles from box B to box A is equivalent to 3 pieces. Alright, so 3 pieces is equivalent to 18 marbles, and therefore 1 piece is 18 divided by 3, which is 6 marbles. Okay, that means to say we move 3 pieces of marbles from of green marbles from B to A. That's how we do it. Now the question is, how many green marbles were there in box A in the end? Okay, box A in the end would have 7 pieces. Since 1 piece is equal to 6 marbles, 7 pieces will be 7 times 6. That will give us 42 marbles. So the answer to the question is, alright, there were 42 green marbles in the end in box A. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.